Millie. Look, there's none left.
Come on in. Men on the car.
Can I have one?
Make sure you're not in gear.
Millie.
Oliver, just wiggle the gear stick for me, side to side, gently.
Sorry, apologies for that. Sorry, we had to give him min tape. Right, here we go.
Yeah.
So we have two children in the car.
Right, don't touch that, Ollie.
Hang on, that's not good. Oh, co-driver and driver.
Oliver, nicely.
Head mechanic. Second mechanic.
Okay, Ollie, when I say
Video man.
When I say stop, Oliver, as soon as Oliver,
And Glenn, the
as soon as
name.
it starts making a racket, let go of the key, okay?
Ready, Lou?
And then when I say now, turn it back towards you. Ready? Go on then. Right, yeah, again.
Here we go.
Let go. Let go of the key, let go. No, just let go of the key when I say. Don't do that. No. Let go.
It's alive! It's alive!
Thanks, Brian. Come on! Time is not quite there. Look, round of applause, everybody.
Hey!
Ollie, try again. Try again, Ollie.
You are leaving quite badly on that thing.
That's all right.
Aye.
Let go again. No, don't turn it off. Just let it go.
It stinks.
It's all right. It's good.
Petrol's fine.
Go. Don't turn it off. I didn't say. Turn it back on.
No,
Make much noise as possible.
Happy, man?
I felt that.
Take it away. What do you reckon, Lou? What do you reckon?
All right, one more go, because otherwise I'm going to upset neighbours. Turn it on again, Ollie. Go.
Well, half from here.
Running on now.